for feeding these things, though.
Jackson, who is that? Who's over there? Who is that?
You're okay.
Is that Sophia?
There's Sophia. Look.
Mm-hmm.
It's okay, honey.
Oh, what?
Yeah. Yeah. There's a baby.
Okay, baby.
Yeah, there's a baby.
Is she getting hungry?
She didn't cry very much today, so
Oh, my
this is
goodness.
probably
It's
good.
a cry time for baby girl.
What's that baby doing, Jack?
Hi, honey.
You don't do this very much anymore, do you?
You used to do this every single time you're in my arms. Then you threw up on me. Look at your face. You're smiling about that.
Yeah, I did, didn't I? Oh, man.
Oh. 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 I'll bet you no. Yeah, I know. Daddy's strange.